the best natural treatment for painful tooth and gums. While there are many different brands of ointment and creams used on injuries and wounds, the most effective one is undoubtedly tea tree oil. This oil can cure almost any form of toothache or gum diseases. I have seen too many wonderful people going to clinics and taking those painful medications and antibiotics, only to become weak in a few years. So, I asked myself, what if there was a herb, or natural plant or seed, that could prevent bacterial cells from growing or attacking other cells in your body? And in this video, I plan to share my findings with you. Please note, this is not a medical advice or a diagnosis, but merely valuable information I learned from my experience. I will talk a little bit about the health benefit of tea tree oil, and you can decide whether to use it or not. So, here is to your good health.
The use of tea tree oil. For centuries, Australian Aborigines have applied tea tree oil from crushed leaves to heal cuts, burns, and bites. Studies show that thanks to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, tea tree oil heals and shrinks wounds when applied topically. A nearly 100-year-old study in the British Medical Journal found tea tree oil was non-caustic to the skin while still proving 11 times more effective than carbolic acid for killing bacteria. The oil can help soothe insect bites and sunburns, as well. During World War II, medics and doctors used to apply tea tree oil on soldiers who were wounded, because tea tree oil successfully prevents bacteria from forming and heals even the most deadly wounds and injuries. Why is tea tree oil so beneficial? Tea tree oil can help control skin conditions such as psoriasis, acne, and eczema. Psoriasis is an inflammatory disease, and studies show the oil has anti-inflammatory properties. In one study, the use of tea tree oil over 12 weeks showed significant improvement in acne outbreaks. In another study conducted in 2011, the topical use of tea tree oil was more effective at controlling eczema than common pharmaceutical recommendations such as clobetasol butyrate and zinc oxide. While applying tea tree oil topically is very helpful, make sure you don't ingest it, as it can become toxic. Another great benefit of tea tree oil is that it can cure many gum diseases, such as bleeding gums, or even toothache. Apply a few drops of tea tree oil on your toothbrush and gently run over your teeth and gums, and allow to rest for several minutes. Make sure not to swallow any, and rinse mouth thoroughly. To ensure that the toothpaste with tea tree oil is more effective, try to add a pinch of neem leaf powder along with the oil, and form a paste, before applying over the gums. This has been proven to work on many occasions. Tea tree oil can cure a variety of ailments, including insect bites, acne, athlete's foot and other conditions. The oil has antibacterial properties. Research suggests that tea tree oil might relieve some symptoms of acne when used as a treatment gel, treat dandruff when used in shampoo form, treat lice eggs when combined with lavender oil and relieve athlete's foot symptoms. While tea tree oil is generally considered safe and effective when used topically, it can be toxic if you ingest it.